Sampling and testing a pregnant mare's colostrum prior to her foaling date can help the foaling attendant better determine when foaling is imminent. Research has shown that an increase in milk calcium above 250 parts per million and a decrease in milk pH below 6.4 occurs in many pregnant mares within 24 to 48 hours of giving birth to a foal. To test a broodmare's colostrum for milk calcium, we use the Predict-A-Foal kit, and to test the milk pH, we use a Hydrion pH strips. First, pull the kit out of the supply shelf. Set the kit contents out on the table. The supplies you will need for the milk calcium test include a milk collection vial, 1 cc syringe, distilled water test solution, plastic test tube with a cap, test strip, and a test guide. Set out a piece of paper or a paper towel and write the dam's name and date to help with record keeping. Take the clear collection vial with you to obtain a milk sample. Safely collect 2 milliliters of milk from the mare into the collection vial. Bring the milk back to the testing area. Using the small syringe, pull about 1 milliliter of milk out of the vial and set it aside. Remove the cap and hold the test tube up against the test guide. Add the distilled water test solution to the first sample line on the guide. Next, drop about 15 drops of milk into the test solution in the test tube until the solution reaches the second line. Place the cap back on the test tube and invert the sample several times to mix the contents. Grasp the white end of the test strip. Pull the cap off the test tube and dip the test strip into the solution, making sure it covers all of the squares on the test strip. Hold the strip in the milk for a few seconds to allow excess fluid to drip off. Set the test strip on the pre-labeled paper towel and wait approximately 1 minute. Compare the colors of the squares on the test strips to the standards provided on the test guide. One red box indicates a 1% chance the mare will foal in the next 24 to 48 hours. 2 red boxes indicates a 10% chance the mare will give birth in the next 24 to 48 hours. 3 red boxes, 40%. 4 red boxes, 80%. And 5 red boxes indicate a 90% chance the mare will give birth in the next 24 hours. Keep in mind that a rapid color change to red in 3 or 4 of the squares indicates that a mare is closer to foaling than a similar color change which takes a full 60 seconds. A rapid color change to red in all 5 squares will usually indicate a mare will give birth within 6 hours. To test the milk for pH, tear a 2-inch section of the pH test strip from the container and immerse it into the milk for about 2 seconds. Hold the strip for a second to allow the excess milk to drip off. Compare the color of the test strip to the standard colors provided on the container. When the mare's pH is determined to be less than 6.4, the likelihood of her foaling in the next 24 hours is 54%, in the next 48 hours is 85%, and the next 72 hours is 98%. Lay both the milk calcium test strip and milk pH test strip on a paper towel. Snap a photo of the information and share it with others who may be interested. Then, record both test results in the mare's foaling records. Remember to rinse the milk sampling vial out with warm water and return the kit contents to the kit. Good luck with foaling!